Okay. Well, just to give you a brief overview of what is the Spanish situation about beef breed. So we have, we have more or less like 2 million of beef cows, and they are divided between 29 breeds. Of course, 7 of them are important. The other ones are just under conservation programs. In terms of foreigners breed, we have the Limousin and the Charolais. So most of our beef cows are local of Spanish breeds. Okay, so right now we have a breeding scheme running in these 7 breeds. All of them have blue PVDs for a number of traits like growth, birth, winning, post-winning, and then carcass traits like carcass weight, carcass yield, carcass conformation, and carcass fat, and then maternal performance for winning weight. The estimation right now is that almost like 30% of the registered animals per year are under performance control, so that will give us around 30,000 calves per year. So, Beef associations are now aiming to have new traits, including the breeding objective, searching for more efficiency and more quality products. Okay, and in that respect, in that environment is where genomic came into the scenario. So we decided to organize a beef consortium in Spain, which is formed by INEA and 4 other universities. So we are running now a project funded by the Science Ministry in Spain, whose objective is trying to see if there is any feasibility of implementing genomic selection in the Spanish local breed. It's basically because of the size of the population. So now the idea we have genotype over 225 animals, in reality 25 trios, by breed. So the idea is to identify LD pattern and selection process in this breed. So, and then through simulation, trying to see if there is any point to invest money on genomic for this breed. And parallel to that, we are trying to implement some pilot projects, trying to record different type of phenotypes, such amount of milk, health, abattoir, status, there are a number of ideas running on. Okay. And we, as a research group at INEA, we are also genotyping animals for a project with meat quality traits. And we are also genotyping animals for a heat-tolerant stress, in which I believe most of you will be aware that in Spain is a problem. And in that project, I think it's an interesting one because we are trying to compare cattle, sheep, and goats in terms of genetic basis of those traits. And that's all.
Thank you, Clara.